are not yet the factory of the world. Let us first become the factory of the world, and then we should open up our doors for competition. Let there be no tariffs, nothing. I mean, United States, even after, let's say, 100 years or 150 years of developed nation status, even today they have tariffs. Europe is putting tariffs, right? And we are saying that we should open up. Then we will kill our manufacturing here. We are not a great manufacturing country in any case. Today our GDP, manufacturing GDP is only 17% of our GDP, right? And we must get to 25–30%, what China is. But if you open up and we become liberal, then we will kill our industry.
So you talked about tariffs. Donald Trump says tariffs is the favorite word that he has in the dictionary, and he has promised that he is going to go full throttle as far as tariffs are concerned. What is that going to mean? We don't know the quantum, we don't know what finally will happen, but given the threat and what he's done in his previous term, what will it mean?
No, what Donald Trump is, in my opinion, he's very clear. He is a very clear-headed guy, whether right or wrong, but he has a clarity of thought. And he says that for me, America is first. I want to build America. I don't care about the world. For me, America is the world. And therefore, I want my industry to grow. I want America to grow, American industry to produce goods. It's not that Chinese should supply to me and then I will consume. I don't want to become only a consuming country. I want to produce and consume. So therefore, I want to put tariffs. Yes, tariffs do make you let's say lethargic. You become more uncompetitive to an extent. So therefore, you have to gradually bring down the tariffs to become competitive. But you have to allow the kid to grow up before you start running the race.
So let me throw that argument back to you. You said you have to allow the kid to grow up. So where are we, sir? Haven't we adulted yet as far as Indian manufacturing is concerned?
Not at all. Not at all. That's what
Teenager or preteen?
Preteen.
Preteen?
Yeah, we are just kind of 4–5-year-old.
Really?
Yeah, absolutely, in manufacturing.
Yeah.
Because you see, China, if you open up the records and see, China in 1990, what kind of protectionist China were? In 2000, what was their protection levels? And what they are today? Today they are opened up because they become the factory of the world. I wanted to export steel in 98, 99 to China. I was not permitted to do that because China had tariffs. They removed the tariffs, but now today we have 0 tariffs on steel. Chinese steel, which is surplus, they are nearly 60% of their capacity is surplus capacity. So it comes via Japan, Korea, Vietnam, Malaysia to India at 0% duty.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC TV 18 on all of our digital platforms.